What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the photos disappearing issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now again tap on this apps option. Scroll down and look for gallery app. Now tap on gallery and then go to the storage of gallery. Now clear the app data and cache memory of gallery app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared. And to clear the app data, tap on clear data and from the pop-up tap on delete to confirm. And after deleting the cache memory and app data, the photos disappearing issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then check for hidden files. So to check that, open Files app. Now go to the Browse tab and tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on Settings. Now here you will see a Show Hidden Files button. So tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button you will be able to view all the hidden files in your phone. But if you still can't find the disappeared photos, then the last solution is check your recycle bin. So to check that, open gallery, go to the albums tab and then scroll down to the end and here tap on recently deleted. Now here you will find all your deleted files. So if you want to restore the files, then tap and hold on the file and then tap on restore. So that's how you can fix the photos disappearing issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.